Well, welcome to another episode of Live, Die, Survive. My name's Harvey Hill, the host. I just want to show you going to be my workshop. Yes, it's messy right now. Yes, we know that. All my buildings are messy. I'm going to get a 60-yard dumpster and start throwing things out. And anyway, let's start with the attic. It is going to be finished. And also I'm going to add some more 2x4s to make it stable. I am going to put a pull-down stairs right over there. It's going to pull down, and so that's going to be for my wood storage. So I'm going to throw pieces like 6 foot. I don't think I can throw 8 foot in there, but 6 foot. I may put the stairs here. I don't know yet. Still work in progress. It's going to be all insulated, spray foam. And then over here, that's going to be all stripped. I'm going to add more 2x4s, another row of 2x4s here to make it a little thicker, because with the climate changing and colder weather coming, I want more insulation. So over here is going to be my chop saw. At least do 6x6. I don't know if I'm going to get a big one for 8x8s, but I'm going to give it a nice working height, probably somewhere around here or a little bit higher. Again, this shelf's going to go out. And then underneath is going to be all cabinets for my routers, drill bits, everything. I mean, I got stuff galore. Table saw, or probably I need to measure my table saw. I'll have my table saw underneath the shelf so I can just slide out. So what I'm going to do is, I like my marine, this is going to be 3/4 plywood finished on one side. Now I'm going to make cabinets with doors, but as we all know, if you do plywood finished on one side, even if you use a table saw with fine-tooth blades, you do get chipping on one side. So what I do, I know where I'm going to cut, or be cutting, and I score it with a utility knife on both sides, not just on one side, because in theory on the upside it chips it. But I scribe it with a sheetrock knife, utility knife, get a deep score on both sides, and I get no chipping. So that's what's going to be on this side. This side is also going to be storage cabinets, or at least minimum a shelf, and the place is going to get all kinds of lighting. It is going to get a heater, and yes, it is going to get an air conditioner, because I'll be working in the summer in here. So heater on that wall, air conditioner, double split one. Okay, I'm not putting any windows in this barn. It's going to be fully secure. So on this side, I'm going to have a slop sink. Haven't really decided if I'm going to put hot water in the slop sink. I don't want no open flames in this building due to lack of thinner or whatever project I'm working on. So this whole one wall is going to be, again, shelving. Not shelving, but, locked up for my tools. I tell you, guys, when I got lots of tools, I got lots of tools. So this place is going to be just nothing but tools. I probably got $20,000 worth of tools. We're over that. So the floor is going to get 3/4 plywood again. And I don't know how I'm going to finish it. I may finish it with tile, because I'll be sliding my table saw and other things. And I know they make waterproof laminate now, but I think it's going to scratch up. So I think I'm going to level this floor out, and I'm going to probably use plywood and then tile. I really don't know. The floor doesn't move much, so 3/4 plywood should be good. I use marine plywood. The door is going to be replaced. I replace all my doors. So the door is going to be replaced. All right, that's easy to do. That's no brainer. That's 2 hours worth of work, if that. So door's going to be replaced, the deadbolt's going to be replaced, and it's going to be no windows also, like this. So this wall I may leave open, I'm not sure. So let you know I'm coming out with another set of 2x4s, or 2x6s, I haven't decided. 2x4s, and this is going to get foam insulation. It's going to get foam insulation up there. It's going to get all foam insulated. Alright, I like my foam. So I got so many projects with foam, and since I work for Binks Manufacturing, I really do like Graco. I may buy Binks because I still, even though Binks went out of business. Sorry, Burke B. Roach, somewhere in heaven, y'all. But anyway, foam insulation, I may buy a system. Now, I know it's expensive, but I got houses going up, got buildings being redone, so it might pay for me to buy a system. Not a 55-gallon drum on A and B, part A and B, but I may buy small drums of 5 gallons and just pump it through there and buy myself a Graco system, and don't worry about it. I'll have to buy well, I'm buying a compressor, but I'm also putting air. I forgot this. The building that's going to hold the compressor is over there, right there. That's going to hold all my tractors, compressors, everything else like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig with my backhoe through here, and I'm going to run water, natural gas, and I'm going to run air line, galvanized pipe, air line, 1 inch through there. So that being said, that's going to be this, and it's cold out. I just was up the mountain. We're at 37 degrees, and my regulator froze up, my natural gas regulator, so I had to light everything again. So anyway, I'll show you outside where I'm going to put the water heater if I put it. So that's going to be that. This don't mean much of it. It's just going to be all thrown out. Just all thrown out. Just everything's going to go. So I don't think I'm going to save anything. I may save that crutch just for a gag. Anyway, what else to say about this? We talked about scoring plywood, air, floor. I haven't decided about the floor. I really need to decide. New door, and this is going to be the workshop. It's going to be all LED lighting, and it's going to be lit up terribly. It's going to be bright. It's going to have 3 sets of LEDs, so if I just want light, I just put 1 switch on. Now, if I want bright lights, I turn on all 3. Another thing, I'm not a big fan of 14.2 Romex. I think it should be outlawed. It's just a dog crap piece of wire, too thin. Most people just use a pair of side cutters. If you don't use the proper cutters on 14.2, you can nick it, and when you twist the coppers together, they could break. So everything I wire with uses 12.2 or 12.3. All right, naturally it's going to have a smoke alarm, and also, yes, to my house that I'm building, it is going to have a low voltage line. Not with it's going to have a low voltage line. Now, anytime you run low voltage, you don't put low voltage to high voltage. If you know that, you get false signals. This is going to have a smoke detector and low voltage that I can tell what temperature this building is. Say if the heat went down, I could tell if the heat went down. The air conditioning went down, whatever. This building is going to get 150 amps because I am going to air condition it. So this building is going to get 150 amps. And I will get outside. Let's see here. This don't have stairs, so it's the drop for me. Hold on, guys.